Hi students, welcome to online class. So in this video we are going to discuss about the chapter 9 Introduction to C++. So with this video we are going to complete the first part of the 9th chapter. So this is a very important 5-mark question, types of error. So listen carefully. There are 3 types of errors are there. There are 3 types of errors are there. What are the 3 types of errors means? So first one is syntax error. First one is syntax error. So what is mean by syntax error? See, syntax in the sense, syntax is a grammatical rule. Syntax is a grammatical rule which should be followed while creating the program, that is C++ program. So whenever we used to create the C++ program, we should follow the syntax. So syntax in the sense some grammatical rules. What are the rules that should be followed while writing the C++ program? So first of all we want to include the header file. Without header file you cannot create the program. Whenever we are writing the C++ program, we should use semicolon. Each and every C++ statement should be terminated by semicolon. That is, executable statement should be terminated by semicolon. So like that, whenever we are creating the programs, we should follow some grammatical rules. So the grammatical rules is called syntax. See here, syntax is a set of grammatical rules to construct a program. Every programming language has a unique rules for constructing the source code. So when we go with the C language or C++ or Java, any language, each and every language has some set of grammatical rules. That grammatical rules should be followed while creating the C program or C++ program or Java program. Whenever the grammatical rules are not followed in a proper manner, whenever the grammatical rules are violated, the error will occur. That particular error is called syntax error. That particular error is called syntax error. Can you understand, students? Syntax error means it is a error which occurs when grammatical rules are not followed. Syntax error is an error which occurs when grammatical rules are not followed. Each and every programming language has some grammatical rules. Those grammatical rules are unique. Whenever we are creating C program or C++ or Java, all the programming language has unique grammatical rules. The grammatical rules should be followed strictly. Whenever the grammatical rules are violated, so the program will show the error. The compiler show you the error. That particular error is called syntax error. Can you understand, students? Let us see the example. So let us consider the example. If you type the program like this as follows, that is, whenever you are writing a statement like this, C++ will throw a error. How we are writing C out? Welcome to programming in C++. So here we have left out the semicolon at the last. Can you see that? Yes, semicolon is not yet given. As per the grammatical rules of C++, every executable statement should be terminated with a semicolon. Every executable statement should be terminated by semicolon, but this statement does not contain a semicolon. So this error is called syntax error. This error is called syntax error. Can you understand, students? Right. The second error is the semantic error. It can be otherwise called as logical error. See, a program has not produced the expected result. The program has not produced the expected result even though the program is grammatically correct. See, now we are taking a program, we are writing a program, we are creating the program, C++ program. We followed the grammatical rules strictly. We are there is no error, there is no syntax error, there is no problem at all. But the expected result is not shown on the output. Whatever the output we expect, that output is not shown there. That output is not shown there. So that type of error is called semantic error or logical error. Can you understand, students? Whenever we are creating the program, we create the program without any syntax error, without any grammatical error, but the program does not produce the expected result. It does not produce the expected result even though the program is grammatically correct. So what happens now? Why it is not giving the expected result? Because of wrong usage of the variable. Because of wrong usage of variable or wrong usage of operator. The order of execution is incorrect. The order of execution is incorrect or wrong usage of variable, or else we can say that wrong usage of operator. See, let us consider that we want to write a line like this: C equal to A plus B. C equal to A plus B. Instead of writing like this, if you write C equal to A plus plus. See, can you understand, students? C equal to A plus B. That is the line you want to write in the program. Instead of writing C equal to A plus B, if you write C equal to A plus plus, whether you will get the correct result? No. Why? What do you want to create? A should be added to B. A should be added with B and then it should be stored in C. But what you have written? You have written C equal to A plus plus. A plus plus means A will be increased by plus 1. That's all. There is some difference is there. If A is added with B and then it should be stored in C. So that is the concept you want to write. But instead of writing like that, if you write C equal to A plus plus, the concept is not correct. So that will not give you the expected result. That will not give you the expected result. So this means that the program is grammatically correct. The program is grammatically correct, but it contains some logical error. That logical error is called, otherwise known as semantic error. That logical otherwise is also called as semantic error. Can you understand, students? Then last error is runtime error. What is mean by runtime error? See, whenever we are executing the program, so at the time, during the execution of the program, an error occurs. So that particular error is called runtime error. So when it will occur, it occurs at the runtime. An error that occurs whenever we are executing the program. An error that occurs whenever we are running the program. At the time an error occurs. Why that particular error occurs? Because of illegal operation that takes place. So some operation was taken place in an illegal manner. So then that is called as runtime error. For example, you are trying to open a file. If your program tries to open a file which does not exist, then it results in runtime error. You are trying to open a file, but that particular file is not existing. That is, it is not yet created. Such type of file is not there. Then it shows error. That is runtime error. Can you understand, students? So I think you might have understood this video. So let's end the class. So thank you, students.